Katie Haynes, and today I'm going to show you what I make when I go on a beach vacation. So we are at the beach for a week, and in my family we all take turns making dinner each night, and tonight it's my turn. So I am getting a meal on early because I'm cooking it in the crock pot. Yes, I brought this thing along with me because I just find it's like one of the easiest ways to cook a healthy dinner that you don't want to think about. So we're gonna head out to the beach while this meal cooks, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it is. It's the easiest thing ever. So what I'm gonna make today is a pulled barbecue chicken. If you wanted to make your own barbecue sauce, you can find the recipe on my website. I'm gonna link that below. But when I go on vacation or when I just really want a shortcut meal, I just take a shortcut and I use this barbecue sauce. So you can really use any barbecue sauce you like. Just keep in mind that the flavor will intensify when it's in that slow cooker. So pick one that you really like the taste of. I'm using chicken. It's about 3 large breasts, about 1.5 pounds, to 2 cups of sauce, 16 ounces. You could also make this a vegan meal by using 2 cans of rinsed and drained chickpeas with 16 ounces of barbecue sauce. Same thing in the slow cooker, then you have barbecue chickpeas. So what I'm gonna do is add the sauce. I'm gonna put mine on high for about 6 hours, and then I'm gonna make a coleslaw to go with it, and I'm done. Okay, so let me just add this. Oh, I just got some on my fingers, hang on. Probably shouldn't have worn white today. I'll stand back. All right, I'm gonna add this in, and then after it's all in, I'll get a fork and kind of make sure everything's coated, and then this is it. I mean, it literally doesn't get any easier than this, right? But I think a crock pot is a really useful tool for situations like this where you don't really want to cook. You don't want to have to think about it. So I'm gonna let that cook for 6 hours, and it'll be done when we get back from the beach. This meal is a family favorite, everybody likes it. I'm gonna make some coleslaw to go with it, and probably some salad. I don't know, I haven't thought that far. Here's the coleslaw in the works. Taking a break because I got a little frustrated with my knife. But I wanted to show you everything that, all the food we brought. When I travel for a week or more, I always like to bring some kombucha because that just helps my tummy feel good. Just helps me feel good. And these are not sodas, they're soda water. We have snacks, we have fruit. There's a lot of fruit. I always bring hard-boiled eggs. Those are really helpful. I've got my yogurt back there. That's also good for the tummy. These down here are veggies for cooking. Snacks. We always put out a big plate of carrots, cucumbers, different veggies for the kids to snack on after they come in from the beach in the afternoon. That's my mama's. Let me show you some snacks that we got. This snack table, it's basically set up by my mom, but we've got all kinds of yummy snacks here because, we're at the beach. But we also have our fruit set up out here. And then, let's see. I like to bring magnesium with me. It just helps you sleep well. Sometimes it's hard to sleep in a different bed, different environment, and magnesium can help you just like chill out, which is good. Enzymes I like to use as well when I travel. And then, let's see, chia seeds, hemp seeds, those are great for yogurt, oatmeal, things like that. I'm gonna make some black bean salad later in the week, so I brought that. And then we just have some soups, salsa, and yes, mac and cheese one day for the kids because, well, that's easy. And we do easy at the beach on vacation. So why do we bring all this food? Well, it's cheaper, one. I find it easier to just be able to come back to where you're staying and, eat a healthy meal rather than having to find some place to go out if you have kids. I think it's more stressful eating out with kids, or can be. And I just find this so much easier, but it's also a lot healthier, right? Because you're controlling what's going into your food, the ingredients that you're using, things like that. You might be thinking like, okay, but I'm on vacation, I don't want to cook. And I totally get that. So one thing that my family does, we take turns cooking. So different people cook on different nights, so that's helpful. And also just doing your easiest meals. That's why I brought the crock pot, because there's really nothing easier than chicken breast and pre-made barbecue sauce. I mean, that's super easy. Now the coleslaw, on the other hand, is proving to be a little bit more of a challenge, but you can make that easier. So it really is kind of worth the effort. If you don't have space in your car, you can think about doing an Instacart order. You could do an Amazon or a Shipt order and have foods sent to you and just bring the perishable things in a cooler. So there are ways to make it work. You just have to kind of get creative. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Maybe it gave you some inspiration for your beach trip or your lake trip or your family reunion, your trip to Disney, whatever you're doing this summer. Keep in mind that it really can be easy and healthy. Those two things can absolutely go together. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.